Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will see how can we use NumPy in Python. So first of all we will see the operation of NumPy on arrays. Let's see what is array and how we can use NumPy in Python. So first of all we should know that in order to use any kind of library you should have to initialize it first, like import any sort of frame which you use. So in this we are going to use NumPy, so we will import NumPy. First of all you have to check either the extension of NumPy has been downloaded or stored in your PC or not. So to check this you will write pip install NumPy. Let's see what happens. Result. So as you see that my function has been run, so it is very clear that the NumPy has been installed in my PC. Now to use NumPy you have to initialize first any data frame which you are going to use. You should have to initialize first. So first of all we will write import. The correct syntax of importing NumPy is import NumPy as np. Now this is the very basic syntax how we will use it in Python. I hope you are very familiar with it. Now so let's see what we are doing now. We are actually using NumPy to make a large number of data into array, and then we can use individual arrays. We will see it how can we use individual array, how can we access them. If you have a lot of random data and you want to use the data of your need, so you just have to need to convert into array, and to convert into array you need to use one of the library which is in which NumPy is fall in the category. So you have import NumPy. Now I am even going to use the word array because I want to convert my data into array. So arr, my variable is array, arr equals to, so any data frame, to convert the data into array you will have to write np.array. Now parenthesis, in the parenthesis you have to write any kind of data which is present, like I'm just using the data of any rough data like 1576. Now this is basically the conversion of my random data into array. This command convert my data into array. Now we will see what happens with the result. Print array. Let's see if this is basically one dimensional array because there is only one row present in it, as you see it. Let's see if my array has been created or not. When the array has been created, these commas have been removed. So as you see it, that it is the kind of matrix which is array. So my array has been made. Now that's how you can use the list. Now it's considered like your list. Now how you can access them. First of all you have to write the variable name arr. I want to check which element is present on my third index, as we can check in list method in Python language. So I want to check my third index. So at the third index, as I am seeing that at my third index the number which is present is 7. So let's see what happens with the result. as you see that at the third index array, at the third index you have present 7 and it gives you the result 7. So this is how you can use a rough data and you can make it array and you can utilize it as your need. Now using this data again, if you want to check out the mean or median or variance, you can use NumPy and you can utilize it for your mean, mod and variance like these features. So how can you use it? It is very simple. You have to write print the name of the array like np dot, you are going to find mean, np.mean, and in the mean you have to write the name of the variable which is ARR. Now let's see what happens with the, so as you see that the mean is 4.75. so if you want to check it, you can use mathematical operations. So if you want to check it, then you can add 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 5 18, 18 plus 1 19. When you divide 19 by the number of elements which are 4, so you will definitely get the result 4.75. I hope you are very clear with it. Like this you can find print np dot median, so you don't have to write the big formulas, you just have to use these commands and using NumPy. So this NumPy has easy your work and you can use it for a very large number of values and it will reduce your lot of work. So this is basically used in data science, so it is very much keen to use this and it is very much easy to handle also. So here it is your mean. Now you can find more operations like standard deviation, like variance, and how you can use it. Variance, I'm going to give you an example like np dot var. This is variance, the name of the variable is ARR.